Why are brands shifting from mega influencers to micro ones? Simple: trust and engagement. Micro influencers, those with 1K to 100K followers, often have tighter knit communities and higher interaction rates. On emerging platforms where authenticity is king, these creators can drive real conversations. Instead of chasing vanity metrics, smart marketers are tapping into niche voices that actually move the needle. It's not about reach anymore, it's about resonance. Emerging platforms like Lemonade, BeReal, and Threads are gold mines for early adopters. These spaces aren't yet saturated, meaning your brand can stand out faster. Micro-influencers on these platforms are still building their voice, making them more open to collaboration. Plus, their audiences are more curious and less ad-fatigued. If you want to be seen as a pioneer, this is where you plant your flag before the big brands catch on. Finding the right micro-influencer isn't about follower count, it's about alignment. Look for creators whose values, tone, and audience match your brand. Use tools like Modesh or Upfluence to filter by niche, engagement, and platform. Then go deeper. Read their comments, watch their stories, and see how they interact. The goal isn't just exposure, it's credibility. A well-matched micro-influencer can feel like a trusted friend recommending your product. Forget scripted ads. On emerging platforms, authenticity wins. Let micro-influencers create content in their own voice. Give them a clear brief, your goals, key messages, and must-mentions, but don't micromanage. The more natural the content feels, the more it resonates. Think product unboxings, casual reviews, or behind-the-scenes stories. When creators feel trusted, they deliver content that feels real, and that's what drives action. Track more than just likes. On new platforms, success looks different. Monitor saves, shares, comments, and even DMs. Use UTM links or discount codes to trace conversions. Ask influencers for screenshots of back-end metrics if APIs aren't available. The goal is to understand what content actually drives behavior, not just buzz. Data is your compass in this uncharted territory, so don't fly blind. Want to scale? Build long-term relationships. One-off posts are forgettable, but ongoing partnerships build trust. Consider ambassador programs or multi-post deals. Let influencers grow with your brand. On emerging platforms, consistency is rare, so when audiences see a creator repeatedly vouch for you, it sticks. Plus, long-term deals often cost less per post and yield better ROI. Loyalty isn't just for customers, it's for creators too. The future of influencer marketing isn't loud. It's local, niche, and real. Micro-influencers on rising platforms offer a rare chance to connect before the crowd arrives. Start small, test fast, and double down on what works. If you're agile and authentic, you'll win. Don't wait for the trend to go mainstream. By then, it's too late. The time to master micro-influencer marketing is now.